Hello, welcome to Men Dun Jia. This is Dr. Shan. Today we're going to learn how to interpret bazi using Qimen Dun Jia. Qimen Dun Jia is one of the highest and the most respected oracle in the Chinese metaphysics, and we can also use Qimen Dun Jia to do a bazi reading and interpret the bazi chart basing on the life, the wealth, the career itself, and many other things. So apparently today I'm going to, based on this case study, to learn how to interpret bazi. So if you're a beginner in bazi reading, I will actually share with you with this basic idea on how to interpret bazi. Okay, so based on this chart itself, we have this information related to the person who is born in 1980, 7th of July. And of course, entering the time itself, this is the chart that is being churned out basing on the mobile app. So in order to understand how to read this chart, first of all, we must understand that for a bazi reading under Qimen Dun Jia, we need to find where is the day stamp. What is the day stamp? Day stamp is actually over here. This is a day stamp. So this is a symbol telling us that the sing itself, the symbol is called a sing, and based on this itself, the 9 box below, and identify where is sing. Okay, so let me highlight over here. Sing is actually in this box. So general characteristic is that the box number 2 under the sing will be the general character of this person. Okay, so I can, based on box number 2, to decipher the information and interpret them basing on specific character of this particular person. So let us dig deeper, and based on seeing, we can see this as a leader, there's a death, there's a Tian Rui. Okay, so every one of the symbol actually symbolize something. So leader means that as a general whole, this person is born with a leadership quality, so which means that he can do to lead a team, lead a company very well. So if this person is being hired as a leader, as a manager, or as a general manager, likelihood he or she will fare very good. So Simen itself, this is death. Simen under the characteristic of this Qimen Dun Jia, meaning that this person is very stubborn. Although he's a great leader, but he's very stubborn. He's always right. So, and on top of that, we have this Tian Rui. Tian Rui also means that this person health tend to have issues. So, if we were to see a Simen and Tian Rui together, meaning that in the event that this person is going to have a serious illness, the problem can be very severe. So that one have to really take into account, meaning that for this person in the life itself, you have to be very mindful that what he or she eats, regular exercise, so try to avoid any potential accident. That means has to be a bit more careful in his life. So we have this horse itself. Horses means that this person is very active, which means that he or she cannot be stationed in a computer. He cannot be an operation person. He is more like an outgoing person. So we can base on this to decipher the information that he's a very outgoing leader. Okay, so this is based on the general characteristic of a person. So how do we see the wealth of this person? Okay, wealth, we will see this life. So over here, this particular box, so we have a wealth, we have a white tiger. So white tiger and wealth actually stands for the wealth itself is going to be ferocious, and it's going to be very a lot, and likelihood is going to be more into the business rather than working for people. So he can be a very aggressive person in terms of active person in a business field, in a business industry. That means he can set up a business, he can a very prominent CEO, you see. But because of his health wise, there will be a situation, meaning that if he don't manage his health wise, there will be a big issue in time to come for his life. So this is the basic of how the interpret a bazi. But of course, we can also see many things like the marriage, which is a liu he, and with the career opportunity, which is the Qimen, and many other things. Okay, so this is a basic introduction of how Men Dun Jia can interpret bazi, you know, in the very surface level. There are many other things that we can look at, but it will take a long time to explain further. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Ciao.